Hi everyone, today we're gonna unbox WiWU Snap Cube. Hey, what's up everyone? Today I'm gonna show you the device for the WiWU Snap Cube. So this is a magnetic wireless power bank. So it's good for traveling, to go to the park, the place that you cannot using the electricity. So this is a good one. Like example, you're gonna travel a long way like that. So this is the device is good for you. So I recommended this one because it's cheaper and it's easy to charge with the USB Type C. So let's check it out. So as you see that inside the box you can see the power bank inside from WiWU and USB Type C, and it's nice design for the box inside you can see. So nothing else inside, only the USB and power bank and product specification. So that's all. So as you see that here that you can connect with the iPhone on it, and you can see that here you're gonna see that the battery life, and here you're gonna press it to turn on, and here you're gonna put the USB Type C there. Okay, so you can see it's like look like the Apple magnetic charger, and when you touch it, it's like a silicone a little bit, and it's good. I see that. For traveling, and that is as I got it white one. I'm not sure if they have a black one, but I will mention there down section. And you can see here the light is coming, and Type C there. You can put it there. It's like it's good for the put anyone in your bag on your pocket like that. So as you see behind the box, you can see your information for the battery for power bank and sticker for the from the company, and more information also there, and website you can see there. So if you need the same information, just comment on down. I will let you know where to can get it from UAE or online. That's all.